Welcome to G-Force, Jordan here. Today I'm going to talk about a couple of our adapters for GM V8 engines into Mustang chassis. So in front of me I have one for an 84 to 95 and then another one for a 96 to 04 Mustang. So the adapters themselves allow you to adapt a Chevy Small Block into your Mustang. And then we also have a couple different kits that includes various components to make your swap easier. So one of our kits includes the motor mounts that you need for your Small Block Chevy. These will bolt to the engine and then they will adapt right to our adapter that sits underneath your engine. A couple things to note about these adapters are it's a kind of a modular one-piece setup here, and it allows for easy alignment of your engine inside of your Mustang. So this will bolt right to your K-member, and then your Small Block Chevy is going to bolt right to these blocks here. In addition to the Small Block Chevy kits, we also have one that allows you to use an LS engine, and so these are just adapting your Small Block Chevy mounts to the LS. So if you want to find out more about these Mustang adapters, check us out at crossmembers.com, and don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for watching.